Welcome back sa New Year's presentation po ng Let's Talk, and of course together with Honorable Janina, Carine, Medina, Fariñas. Mahaba na talaga yung pangalan mo ngayon. Di ko pa dinagdag yung sings yung middle name mo. And anyways, second part, let's talk about yung nabiti natin kanina na discussion. Yung hawak mo na committee ngayon. Ulitin natin yan. Anong yung hawak mo na committee?
So yun una, Committee on Social Services. Primarily, it focuses on yung social needs ng community, like daycare service, yung mga senior citizens, yung ganun. So how you can give them yung needs nila when it comes to legislation and governance. Tapos yung isa is Committee on Women and Family Affairs. So mostly para yun, women and family, children of course is part of the family. Tapos kung ano yung magagawa nga for them.
Family. Talking about family, bakit binigay sa'yo yung family just because may family ka na? Parang gano'n.
Wala pa akong family nun.
Wala ka pa pala family
wala
na
pa nun.
Oo, mamaya
Pero,
pag-usapan natin yan.
I think wala rin kasing votation na nangyari. Parang ninominate ako, wala nang ibang ninominate. So,
nang inominate, kinulos ka agad. Parang gano'n. Nominate and
siguro,
close, second demotion. Tapos, pero ano yung chairman, yung chairman ka na committee na, ito na yon.
Ito, yung dalawa.
Yung dalawa na yan.
Pero member din ng Committee on Tourism.
Sa tourism.
If I'm not mistaken, education din, tsaka gender and development.
Okay, so since then, you took office, so ano-ano na yung mga nagawang resolutions o di kaya ordinances?
Isa. Pero it's, for me, very close to my heart kasi it directly addresses yung committee. So, yung ordinance na yun is an enabling ordinance of the anti-trafficking and violence against women law. So, it means na in-adopt mo yung law and then you're creating a council. So, yun yung anti-trafficking and violence against women council na would address yung issues about yung anti-trafficking and violence against women. Tapos so na-approve siya thanks to my colleagues. Tapos, so right now, we're still in the process of forming yung committee.
Yung committee, para kung ano. O nga, maganda yan. Because, though wala naman masyadong ganung problema dito sa Ilocos, but the thing is, may mga times kasi na hindi natin nalalaman.
Tsaka,
din
I mean, ang important din kasi is yung information to know when it's happening. Kasi di ba, when you talk about anti-trafficking, when you talk about trafficking, the first notion is prostitution. Pero in fact, prostitution is a gray area. Kasi meron yung mga prostitution, meron yung mga alam niyang nagpo-prostitution siya at gusto niya. So, walang nag-coerce sa kanya, walang pumilit sa kanyang gawin yun, walang nag-blackmail sa kanyang gawin yun. So, that doesn't count as trafficking. Trafficking is only when you coerce or when you...
They were forced?
Actually, it's called forced sexual labor.
Okay.
Child labor is also part of trafficking. Tapos yung misconception din na kung trafficking, inisip nila agad, balas yung tao. Pero hindi. As long as you transport one person to another place and you are forcing them to do any labor, hindi lang nga sexual kung forced labor, kung kunwari, mag-maid. Pwede yun. So, kung pinilit mo siya to pay a debt or whatever, forced labor can be
papasok doon sa trafficking na yan. Wow, good luck at sana mabuo na kagad yung mga committees at para maano na natin yan.
Pero aside from that, yun main na ginawa din namin from July when I assumed is yung pag-form ng Heritage Conservation Youth Council through the Heritage Youth Assembly. So, ang Heritage Conservation Youth Council, nabuo siya kasi noon time na nasa private side pa lang ako, nung hindi pa politician, parang pag sumasali ako sa mga tourism council, mga ganun, parang napapansin ko na medyo mas older talaga yung mga nag-work na with that. And it's because they've been there for a long time. And partly also dahil wala rin hindi mo rin pwedeng sabihin walang initiative yung mga youth. I think it's also showing them where to put that initiative in. So, kailangan lang yun, parang i-fire yung desire
Kailangan
to
talaga i-push
help
sila para
in
lumabas yan.
conservation. Kasi, ano yun eh, syempre, when you conserve kasi, it doesn't mean na, okay, nagawa ng matanda, hindi na itutuloy. We need to continue it. And to also, more importantly, translate it into a more modern approach. Kasi di ba pag sinabing heritage, inisip agad luma.
Luma.
Pero
Antique,
ang totoo, part of conservation is not only preservation but also restoration and parang refurbish mo rin, parang to appeal to a different mass, a different group, di ba? So yun, so maganda yun reaction ng mga students. I think importantly kasi pinakita namin sa kanila what they can do and what they can benefit also from going into heritage conservation.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
we're the only World Heritage City, UNESCO World Heritage City in the Philippines. And whether you live here, you're from here, or a student here, why not make the most out of
That's
that?
true, that's
diba?
true. Kailangan talaga nila matutunan din yan. At kailangan nga maintindihan talaga lalo nila yan. So, with that, sige, good luck. At sige, siguro with the core people, with the core production, we could also help you with that, di ba? Just punta ka lang dito, let's do something about it. Pero may iba naman tayo ngayon, Janina. Something new again sa life mo. 11 was ayun, 11. Bakit? And what made you decide 11?